Hi everyone, it's Ted Spaghetti, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Transformers Studio Series 8601 Jazz, which is heavily based off of his cartoon appearance or how he appeared in Transformers the movie. So, he is very cartoony compared to some other Jazzes that we've gotten in the past. For the accessories, he comes with his box. And that sounds weird, but of course, if you collect Studio Series, you will know that the box contains the display background, which I think very few people use. But if we can just get it out here, you will see that the box, or the background, is of Moonbase 1 from Transformers the movie, of course, where Jazz spent most of his time in the movie until he was devoured by Unicron. Now you can put him up here on the display stand, but he also looks great if you have Earthrise Jazz, so that you can recreate the scenes from Transformers the movie where they were just doodling around and passing away. But not really. So here's Jazz's details, and as you can see, he has holes in his forearms, which is unfortunate, and he has some gappy shins on the back of his shins. There's some gaps, and overall he feels more fragile compared to maybe some of the other Studio Series 86 figures or even the Earthrise figures. He has a much lighter feel compared to those other figures, which is okay, but it's not great. He also has this problem with his head where it'll just look down constantly, and it's just very unfortunate, but you can adjust it as need be. So, without further ado, let's get into some size comparisons. So here we have Jazz in his Porsche 935 mode, which looks pretty nice, except for this 14. It's supposed to be a Diaclone homage to his catalog number, but some people believe that it's about a hate symbol, which I won't mention really, because I don't want to get blacklisted on YouTube. But he does have a really cool windshield section here. I do really like that. But the paint apps are a bit lacking. But I'm not definitely surprised because they decided to go for a very anime look for this figure. For the functionality of his vehicle mode, I'm going to show off Earthrise Optimus Prime's trailer. But unfortunately, Jazz has some dummy thick wheel wells, so he can't totally fit in there, which is kind of unfortunate. But you can try and get some cool poses out of it if you pose your vehicles. So there's Jazz in his vehicle mode. So overall, Jazz is a pretty cool figure, and he looks great with your other Earthrise figures, or Siege figures for that matter. I'd highly recommend that you pick him up, but do be warned that he does have some yellowing issues on some parts of his plastic, and he is kind of fragile. So overall, I do think he is a very fun figure, and I hope you enjoyed my video, so please go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.